Hello Raider Nation, this is Duntoff. Today I'm at the new Raiders headquarters. It is Monday, January 6th, 2020. So we can see they got a lot going on today. You know, finally the holidays are done, so should have some full work weeks. So you can see the main building. So the white on top, that's the final finish. So you can see how they have the yellow. So they had a few different layers. So the yellow, and then they put the orange. The orange is like, I think that's the like water barrier. And then they have the white where, if we look here, they got these with the writing on it still. So I was informed by some of my viewers that that's just the protected film on there, that it's actually the white panels, because you can see how it's got the finish. So you got the finish, and if you look at the ones with the film, you can see how they're the exact same outline. So that's already the finish underneath that. And then they're working up on this top part. That's where in the renderings it says Las Vegas Raiders will fit like right in between here, right in this area. Now that I'm standing out here, I don't even remember what the original, what the sponsored name is. I think it's like Intermountain Healthcare something, but remember, I'm just calling it Raiders headquarters. Alright, if we look at the practice facility, we can see them. They're starting to put the panels down the side here. See the finish, well, they're just covering all that up. And then they're also starting to put the panels and glass on this front section. So you can see a little different design. And then we still got all the offices here. And then the fields, the outdoor fields, are all behind this area. I'll go to the south side right after this shot, and then you'll be able to see that better. But the two of them will fit back, or three of them, they're all back there. Now if we go back to the where they're putting the panels up, you can also see it. Trying to just see what they're all doing on the roof over here. If I can find them. There we are. There's just a bunch of guys standing up in here. I don't know what they're working on. He looks like he must be just supervising. It's actually about, well, it's 1 o'clock now, so I think their lunch breaks are done. Okay, I'm gonna go walk around. I'll go to the south side next. And then I'm gonna walk down this way to get a little different perspective. All right, I am on the south side right now. You can see on the back side here, they are putting up the panels on this This would be the west side of it, the back end of the indoor field. And then if we look down at the very back, they have, this is all finished over here all the way around. I was told that this is going to be the area where they will store like the mowers and stuff like that, the equipment to take care of the outdoor fields. So then we look over here again, you can see it's got like the grayish color on the dirt there. So those will be the 3 outdoor fields going along this south end of the building. Supposedly there were supposed to be some samples, you know, grass that they were trying out, but from ground level I can't find any of it anywhere. And then we can see the panels they're putting on this part over here. This is supposed to be where it'll be like the training room and locker rooms. So that's what this is supposed to be. And then behind this, in this back corner where there's a backhoe there and a water truck right now, that's where the pool is supposed to be. That could even be what they're doing right now. Maybe they're digging it out. Let's go back to the very back. They got a lot of equipment doing something back here. Oh, see, they're going into that building right now. Let's see if we can see them putting any of the panels. I think that's what they just lowered down. I don't know what that is. From the viewfinder, I can't tell what that is. Not sure what they're doing in there either. Okay, so now I'll do my swing around here where we'll check out the view of the stadium from here. So the stadium is about 12 miles to the north. Alright, so there's the Stratosphere Tower. And that used to be the Fountain Blue they were building. Now I think it's called the Drew. They just start redoing it. It was never completed. Alright, then we got the Win, the Encore, and then behind it, where they're building with the red, that's the new one. Now, of course, I can't think of the name. Resort World, I think it's called. Yeah, New York, New York, Mandalay, Rio, and there's the stadium. Alright, that's zoomed in 200 times. So you can see that crane right there. That is Big Bird. And then the one on this side, that's Tweety. So there's the south end. That's the side that there's... This is the side the fill tray will slide out. There you go. So that's about 12 miles. Zoom out. It's actually a nice clear day today. It's got a little breeze, so got all the smog out of here. Alright, let's see what else they're doing over here. Because the site they're building this headquarters on right now is they're doing about a 40-acre plot, but I think it's 55 acres total. So it's, I don't know if it's to the side over here closer to me or if it's all this land behind. And then if we swing around, so then you can see the mountains in the background, I think. And that's it. So, alright, I'm gonna go get some other views. Alright, just still. This is the east side. Got a better view to see this. This is the training and locker room area. You can see how they have the design with the, they have the stripe then that will be going up. So it'll kind of mimic the front of the main building. Same way, you can over here it's still in orange, but look at the top. And then the giant Raiders logo should be right there on the center. I think the Intermountain Healthcare, the official names and the renderings that goes down this corner right there, they'll have that. This corner office is probably going to be Mark Davis's office right on the top. Because I did hear it was going to be on the side facing the outdoor fields. Because it does have this balcony area right here. So maybe that'll be Mark's there and Chucky's right behind them. If we look down on this first level, we got some entrance here. I don't know if that'll be, you know, for all the players. I don't know which way they'd go in. And I'm gonna swing around, see if we could see the M. The M Resort is the, right now it's like the official hotel of the Raiders. I don't know if it's just for the headquarters, but it's about probably a mile and a half away. Trying to find it in the viewfinder here. It should be coming up right here. Alright, so that's the M. They're gonna have, I think, a Raiders themed bar and restaurant in there, and have all kinds of memorabilia, and I think even some kind of shop. So that's the M Resort. That's right on Las Vegas Boulevard and St. Rose Parkway. It's right off the I-15. Alright, this is straight on to the main building. So this is the east side of the building. And we can see since last time I was here, now they got all this scaffolding up underneath this drive. I'm assuming this is going to be like a drop-off outdoor area. I think the fancy name is a porte-cochere. So you can't really see inside anymore. This is where, when you go this way, they have the two big stairways going up on either side once you enter in there. So it looks like on top of the scaffolding, this must be a lot of the panels or something that they're going to be putting at the, you know, underneath it, or on them walls up there. And off to the side, they got some more of the glass all in over here. So this white finish they're putting on seems like it's pretty involved, because they haven't really done too much since last time I was out here of this one. Alright, so we got the mountains in the background. A few weeks ago we had a lot of snow in all these mountains, so it's since melted. Just in the background here, this is Mount Charleston. There's about an hour out of town where you can go snow skiing. Alright, this would be the northeast side of the building, this corner. We can see what he's working on there. They're working on, this is like another entrance, so that's just a little cover over the entrance. Alright, this you could just see a better view down the side of the building. So we got the front of the main. This is the indoor field area. Field house, and then down the side. So I'm assuming, I always say this, but I'm assuming that'll be glass all the way down how it has it here. I would think they're just going to continue that up in that open area. Alright, so on this north side we can actually see that they got a lot of the white finish already installed on this side. So it's moving along pretty good. I guess that's all I have for today. So if you would like to get updates and you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to Raiders 1967. You'll get updates on this headquarters as well as the new Raiders Allegiant Stadium. So I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.